Hi, this is Tech Guy from the Hive, bringing you to a subscription box unboxing. This month is for September for Quilter's Candy Box. The box that we come to love and enjoy brings a different spin on subscription boxes. Let's go ahead and dive right in and see what they have for us. Again, this is for the month of September. So first thing that comes in, well, this is pretty cool. This is Keep Calm and Quilt On. I'm not sure what this is. It's some type of spray bottle of some sort. But we will definitely check that out in the what's in your box card. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna put that right here. Okay, September's Quilter's Candy Box, which gives you all the rundown of what's in the box. I'm gonna put that off to the side and not lose it. Here. This is pretty cool. It gives you a Friction Colors erasable marker. I'm guessing this is a fabric marker that you can mark your fabric and it should be erasable. And I've heard and I saw some comments on below that people love them or they don't like them. I would like to see your comments below on what you feel about this. This is a bright pink friction box or friction pin. Want to know what your comments are on this, because yeah, I would think that you'd be hesitant on marking your fabrics unless you know for sure it's going to be erased. But I would love to see the comments below and see what you guys and gals feel about that. It comes with some needles, some side threading needles. Open on the side of the eye, easy to thread, stays threaded, which is probably a different design of what most needles are, or traditional needles are, which is pretty cool. It comes with different sizes, about 14 needles in there, which is pretty cool. And of course comes with a stack of fabric, which you know I'm going to take off the ribbon and kind of go through. This reminds me of a fall colors, some flowers here. Looks like a picture of a boy and a girl. Reminds me of like a Jack and Jill picture. It has a red fabric with some birds on there. I really like this one, kind of like the vintage orange, kind of for fall. We're a big fall family here. And you've got an off-white fabric. You've got a cool, like a light mustard with some flowers on here, which is a cool design. Has a cool pink, like a dull pink, with some stars on there, which is pretty cool. We'll know what the sizes are when we go to our cart. So tied with a ribbon, that's pretty cool. It reminds me of You Are My Sunshine, the quilt that Kia made for Peanut before surgery, which is pretty cool. I like stuff like this, the design. It's very warm, and I like it. So this is from Creative Abundance. It's a Sunshine mini quilt. We've got several mini quilts hanging throughout our house, especially in the studio. We've got some behind us, so I know Kia will definitely be working on this project on another list of projects that she wants to get knocked out. Of course, it can't be a Quilter's Candy Box without the candy, which is pretty cool. I always enjoy or look forward to seeing these small treats in here. Kind of gives you something to nibble on while you're quilting, or something to nibble on while your wife is quilting. Little pops assorted. It says hard candy, which is pretty cool. Gives you a cafe latte, a vanilla, a butterscotch, or a chocolate, which I'm very interested to try these out with Kia. So going back to the card here, September's Quilter's Candy Box, tied with a ribbon design, which is the sunshine. You are the sun to my shine, which is pretty cool. One of our favorite lines that we like to use around the quilting studio in our house. It's a mini quilt. All the fabric you can take that you can make, or all the fabric you need to make the Sunshine mini quilt, which is going to probably be all this, probably a couple more stuff too. The Keep Calm and Quilt On spray bottle, which is pretty cool. You can fill this with your favorite starch or quilting spray, which is awesome. These bottles have multi-pattern technologies that give you an endless spray, allowing large areas to be covered quickly and easily. And it feels pretty good in the hand. The friction pin, every quilter needs one or more disappearing ink pins. So very dissimilar to what I said earlier, so this is more of a marking pin. Again, I would like to hear or read your comments below about your thoughts. The side threading needles, which is pretty cool. Simply sliding your thread into the eye of the needle. Never struggle to thread your needle again. Each needle is made out of nickel-plated steel with a golden eye, which sounds pretty awesome. Of course, it says seed candies, assorted little pops, which is this one right here with the cafe latte, vanilla, butterscotch, and chocolate. But it doesn't give me a particular value on the box. So I'm going to put down in the description below what the Quilter's Candy Box is for a monthly subscription. Kind of put subscription on what item is where. You can see it separately from a different site or from the manufacturer site. I'll put that in the description below also. Again, I would love to hear comments below about what you liked about this box, this monthly subscription box unboxing. About the pattern. I'm particularly fond of the pattern. Things that you would use, you wouldn't use in the comments below. But thank you again for joining us at the Quilter's Candy Box unboxing. This is Tech Guy from the Hive. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.